day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Alright, so here we are today with a box that came in the mail. It's a pair of Skar Audio VX175-STs. They are 4 ohm super tweeters. And I have a set currently installed in my Hummer. And I like them how they sounded so much for the price. Unbelievable for a pair of super tweeters. These were $27 for the pair. Really can't beat for sound quality and price. Again, JP down for sound, thanks for hooking that up. But gonna do an unboxing here and go over them, and we'll do a sound test once they're all done and installed with the others. So here we go. Alright, so I got the box out of the box and now I'm gonna open it up. So again, here's the factory packaging. Pretty nice looking. Open it up. Comes with Skar sticker there. Owner's manual as usual. The specs, there you go. So here's the measurements on these suckers, and as you can see, right, it is listed as a 1.75 inch tweeter. However, the face diameter of this thing is almost 4 inches. So make sure that you do have proper space to mount this thing, so you're not overlapping on any trim panels or anything like that. But I got plenty of space, so it wasn't an issue for me. Coming in here, these are listed at 100 watt RMS, 200 watt max. I will be feeding these 100 RMS each, so I'm going to be right at that top point there. Coming underneath here, boom, there they are. And the reason why I like these two, not only do they sound good, nice, crisp, and clear, but they match the color scheme of my truck, red and black. So bonus points there. Let me open one of these up. Very, very nice, heavy speaker. You can tell that it's very well made. No plastic parts, all feels like brushed stainless steel, metal, nice magnet back there. Comes with an attached crossover, right, to limit those lows coming through these things, so only high frequencies get to it. Here's the back. Right there, 4 ohm, 200 watt RMS for the pair, so 100 watt RMS each. And yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to go over here for those that may be interested in buying these. Again, when I bought these, there weren't much info on it, let alone any unboxing, so just wanted to do a favor to YouTube out there for anyone that wanted to see these before buying them. And like I said, I'm gonna get these hooked up in the door and I'll do a sound test so you guys can hear how they sound. All right, so as promised, I'm gonna do a demo of my newly installed Skar Audio super tweeters. Now, before anybody says anything, yes, they are missing screws. I had 4 screws in my original ones and realized I didn't have any extra screws when I installed my second set. So I put 2 and 2, and I'm gonna get some more screws here tomorrow so that they all are screwed in properly. But I got 2 in the door here, coming around, and as you can see, I got 2 in the door over there. Those are gonna be complementing my Massive Audio 6.5s here and my Massive Audio 1.5 inch tweets up there in the A pillars. So I want to go ahead and do a door test here, and I do have my subs completely off. The only things that are running right now are my door speakers and my pillars. So I want to go ahead and do a test and show you guys how it sounds. They are pretty loud, so here we go. That is still really loud. Oh my God. Wow, those are loud. Wow. Those are piercing your soul. I definitely got to adjust some of the gains and some of the frequencies and tuning on those, but boy, those are loud. Definitely get a thumbs up review from this guy. And for $27 a pair, so for those 4 tweeters, basically a little over 50 bucks for highs that you can literally hear. I don't doubt probably a half mile away if I could walk that far. But man, awesome. Definitely a good review here. Definitely excited, and got my endorsement 100%. Dang.